If you want Calendly and Slack to work together, this quick setup will save you a ton of time by sending your scheduling notifications straight into the right Slack channel. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Calendly with Slack step by step, so you can stay on top of bookings, meetings, and team updates without constantly checking multiple apps. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Integrations and Apps option. This is where Calendly keeps all of its connected tools and third-party app options. Click on Integrations and Apps to open the integration library. Next, use the search bar to look for Slack. Calendly has a wide range of available integrations, so searching directly for Slack will get you there faster. When you see Slack in the results, click on it to open the integration page. This is where you'll begin the connection process between the two platforms. Now click Connect. Calendly will start the authorization flow and ask you how you want to link your Slack workspace. At this point, you should see an option to continue with Slack. Click Continue with Slack so Calendly can send you over to the Slack sign-in and permission screen. Once you're redirected, sign into your Slack workspace. If you're already signed in, Slack may take you straight to the authorization screen. If not, enter your workspace details and complete the login process. In some cases, Slack may ask you to enter a verification code. If that happens, just follow the prompts and enter the code when requested. After that, carefully follow the on-screen instructions. This part is important because Slack is asking you to confirm exactly what Calendly will be allowed to access. Review the permissions and make sure everything looks right before moving forward. When you're ready, click Allow to authorize Calendly. Once authorization is complete, Calendly will usually ask you to choose the Slack channel where you want notifications to go. This is where you decide where your meeting updates, booking alerts, and scheduling notifications will appear. Select the channel that makes the most sense for your workflow, whether that's a team channel, a sales channel, or a private admin channel. After selecting the channel, click Save. That final step locks in your preferences and finishes the integration. From that point on, Calendly can send Slack notifications based on your setup, helping you and your team stay updated in real time. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with Slack. Now your scheduling updates can flow directly into Slack, making it easier to respond quickly and keep everyone informed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.